The Neckline Neck Massager is marketed as an easy solution for neck pain, stiffness, and neck relief. But the real question is it actually worth buying or just another heavily advertised wellness gadget? Now, to be fair, neck massagers can genuinely help some people relax tight muscles and temporarily reduce tension. What it does well, can provide temporary relief. This is the biggest positive. Many users say these devices genuinely feel relaxing and help loosen tight muscles after long hours at a desk. Heat and massage combination feels good. Heated massage functions are commonly praised because warmth helps muscles relax more effectively. Where it falls short, results are temporary. This is the biggest reality check. A neck massager may relax muscles temporarily, but usually does not fix the underlying cause of chronic neck pain like poor posture, stress, or muscle imbalance. Many viral brands are heavily over-marketed. A lot of TikTok-style neck massagers use aggressive ads with exaggerated, life-changing claims. Reddit users frequently warn that many of these products are generic dropship devices sold at inflated prices. Some devices feel painful or awkward. Several users complain that strong massage nodes can feel too intense, especially on sensitive neck areas. So, is the Neckline Neck Massager worth it? The Neckline Neck Massager is probably not fake, because neck massagers themselves can genuinely help with short-term muscle relaxation. The bigger issue is that many brands in this category heavily exaggerate their effectiveness and sell generic devices with premium marketing. If you mainly want relaxation and mild tension relief, it may be worth trying, but if you expect it to permanently fix chronic neck pain or posture issues, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.